HTML genuinely offers ordered, unordered, and description lists, each for a real different kind of grouped content. In this video you'll build all three real list types. Old tag genuinely creates an unordered, bulleted, list real use when order genuinely doesn't matter. Old tag genuinely creates an ordered, numbered, list real use when sequence actually matters, like instructions. A real old tag nested inside an ly tag genuinely creates a sublist indented under its actual parent item. Old tag genuinely creates an unordered, bulleted list. Old tag genuinely creates an ordered, numbered list. Lists can genuinely nest inside a real ly tag for subitems. Build a real ordered list of 5 steps for a task you know well. Ready to link real pages together?